Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Zapier account easy tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your Zapier account, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Zapier website. Log into your account with your credentials. Once logged in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, locate the Billing section on the left sidebar. Click on Billing to access your account details. Scroll down until you find the Plan section. Here, you will see the option to downgrade or cancel plan. Choose the Cancel Plan option. Zapier will prompt you with a confirmation message. Read through the information provided carefully. If you're ready to proceed, confirm your cancellation. After confirmation, you will receive a final notification. Your account will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. Make sure to check your email for any final communication from Zapier. That's it. You've successfully canceled your Zapier account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.